How to get stars in Among Us. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can get stars on Among Us. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to get stars in Among Us these are the methods you can apply it. So first of all, you can head over to Among Us, and when you open it up, you will be finding this page on the screen. So the next step is you can find here in the menu at the left side, you can find the option called shop. Just go ahead and tap on it. When you go ahead and tap on it, this opens up. So at the top right corner, you can find a plus icon, the golden color. You can just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you will be finding the stars here. So unfortunately, right now we can't get it for free. But if you really want the stars, you can purchase it instead. So we have this offers available of $1, $2, $4, and $9 and $24. So if you really want to get the stars in Among Us, you can just go ahead, purchase it, use the payment method available, and then do it. So that is how you get stars in Among Us. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.